Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear brothers and sisters, with the new episodes about the rules of Tajweed al-Quran. A lot of brothers and sisters, they want to refresh their information about how can I improve my recitation and match the Tajweed rules. So this is inshallah will help inshallah ta'ala. The first lesson for this episode will be about when I want to start the qira'ah, I should have the information how to start with al-isti'adha and al-basmala and how I connect those with the beginning of the surah. First of all, basmala is to say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Isti'adha is to say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. So by the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind, and isti'adha, I seek refuge from the evil, from the shaitan in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, since he is my enemy, but I can't see him. So I'm asking the one who can see my enemy to protect me from him. In the beginning of the surahs, we have more than one way to connect basmala, isti'adha, and the beginning of the surah. I will inshallah go with Surah Al-Fatiha and the beginning of Surah Al-Baqarah as an example to understand how I should connect the isti'adha, basmala, and the first ayah of the surah. In the beginning of the surahs, we have 4 ways to say those 3 different things. Let's go with the number 1. Number 1, connect them all. Means connect the isti'adha with al-basmala with the beginning of the surah with no stopping in your breathing. Like the following. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم. Or أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد. Way number 2, disconnect them all, means to say the isti'adha, then you stop, you breathe, then you say the basmala, then you stop, you breathe, then you start the new surah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. Number 3, connect 1 and 2 together and disconnect number 3. Remember, 1 means isti'adha, 2 means basmala, 3 means the first ayah in the surah or the beginning of the first ayah in the surah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. The way number 4, to disconnect number 1 and to connect 2 with number 3, means disconnect the isti'adha and connect basmala with the beginning of the surah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق. Inshallah, it will be easy with your practice day after day. Now, what about if I want to finish surah and start another surah? Between the surahs, we have the following. We have the end of the previous surah, we have basmala, we have the beginning of the next surah. So no isti'adha here. Al-isti'adha just in the beginning of the recitation, the tilawah, But between surahs, you have the end, basmala, and the beginning. And let us see how many ways we have. We have connect them all, disconnect them all, connect one and two, and disconnect number three. And you see I put X here because this way is not acceptable, is not valid. Then we have disconnect one, then connect two and three together. Let me go and apply them inshallah. Connect them all. For example, Al-Fatiha and Al-Baqarah. ولا الضالين. This is not connecting. This is disconnecting. What I mean by connect, when you connect, you have to see the haraka of the last letter in each surah. So you want to connect the last with the basmala and the beginning of the new surah. For Surah Al-Fatiha, you will see that Ad-Dallin has a fatha, so you have to pronounce the fatha, then go to the basmala, and we have a lot of here ahkam al-tajweed. Inshallah, you will learn them with me in the future. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام Absolutely, this way needs a lot of air in the chest so you can continue the connecting. Number two, disconnect them all means صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم. Let's go to number three. Connect one and two and disconnect three means you want to connect the last ayah with the basmala, then disconnect the new beginning of the new surah, and this way is not valid. You can't do it. I'm teaching it to you just to understand. Why? Because in this way you will put the basmala at the end of the surahs, while Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put it in the beginning of the surahs. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم. This way is not acceptable, not right, not valid. Number four, to disconnect one, which is normally we do that, then you connect two with three together. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم. I hope this lesson will be easy. As I said, you need to practice, repeat over and over again. Then you go to your imam or your teacher and you say them in front of him to make sure you understand all of them. May Allah bless you all. Thank you very much for watching, and wait episode number 2. We will start inshallah next time with the ahkam, the rules of the noon, sakin and the tanween. And noon when it's sakina, and the rules of tanween inshallah. Thank you very much. Jazakumullah khair. Please make dua, and I wish everybody to be inshallah always happy and he master his qira'ah. Jazakumullah khair.